Hello! We're so glad you've joined us for the Creative Memories virtual crop. I'm pleased to share this sketch with you. I'm using the Emerald Gemstone collection. It has designer paper and tone-on-tone paper packs, sticker pack, variety matte packs that all coordinate very beautifully. This is a rich hues of blues and greens that will go with a lot of photos. The pages that I've created using this sketch are a 2-page. There's a couple of things I want to draw your attention to. The triangle, I use those in both corners, and there's a perfect way to make those where they're the same exact size. The gemstone chain border maker cartridge, which there are multiple ways of using that. I'm going to show you a couple of those, as well as the peekaboo pockets that come in 3 sizes. You can use it for adding extra photos to a page or layering. I used it for some memorabilia from this concert, and I trimmed it up a little bit to make it fit. And I'm going to tell you about my best friend repositionable tape runner. First thing is the triangle, and our handy dandy 12-inch trimmer cuts that perfectly. There are already some lines on the trimmer base to cut it perfectly. So there's the 45-degree line on here. I'm going to line up my paper, and mine is a 3-inch on the top on these triangles. So just line it up, put the arm down, easily snip across. So I've got my perfect 3-inch triangle to go on the corner. And then the next is the gemstone chain border cartridge, and here's 2 of them, and you can see the inset of a gemstone design in the middle. This border cartridge looks really nice alone. You can just do a single strand of it, or you can dress it up just a little bit and add one on top. Just kind of nest it beside. You may notice how easily that stuck down. It has some repositionable tape runner on that border cartridge. You can even put another one if you would like. You can layer it multiple ways. And this would be a nice way of matting a photo. Could be some journaling at the bottom that could go directly on your page, or it could also be a greeting card or a note, and you could add in, this is actually from the variety matte pack from the Emerald collection. This is from the Natural Disposition embellishment pack. The other design that you can make using the gemstone chain is you can overlap and it makes kind of a flower poinsettia. If you're overlapping the holes on top there, it makes a nice kind of a flower design also. So just a very versatile punch. I know y'all enjoy it. I hope you get lots of cropping done.